Alright foodies, you see how these coconuts are nice? Quick note, when you're buying coconut, always buy 2 just in case one spoil. This is the hardest part of the recipe, the grate of the coconut. You remember the old time grater where your granny used to make you use? Well, we save one of them. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grate the coconut. Trust me, I think this one go easy. I not even go halfway through already and look like me a grate up my fingernail. That's it. Oh my god, my hand rough out already.